Hank the Tank.
Hank the Tank.
He's in the auto body industry, and I've known this guy for like 15 years.
I think it's 17.
Roughly.
We picked 12 guys in the nation. So here's a P52, and if you want to take a look, it's about a $250,000 repair. It's an aluminum hydroformed frame, full frame with a carbon fiber body, so all the carbon fibers obviously glued on and riveted on. If you can see, it actually broke the weld on the frame, and McLaren, I can buy this entire subframe piece, and I'm going to cut this off and weld all this back on with the 320i.
You use for most of your repairs?
Yes, sir.
And you use it for what? Silicon bronze?
Silicon bronze,
aluminum?
hybrid aluminum, and sometimes if I'm doing boron steel.